Hello viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video we are going to do some immersion test and water resistance test on various types of inks. And here we have Daytone and penhouse.in royal blue ink and Brill royal blue, Pilot blue ink and Parker blue ink. And recently we have developed this ink which is water resistant. All these five inks are of unique formula, maybe slightly the chemical composition may differ, but this one we would like to we made exclusively for water resistance. And let us do this immersion test on all the inks, and let me fill ink in each and every pen. And this is a very brand new pen, so we don't have ink in it. So I have written Daytone on the pen. I have written Daytone on the pen. Let me fill ink with that. Now it is filled with ink, and let me wipe it. This one I am keeping separately. This is Daytone. And next one is penhouse old. I have written as penhouse old. This is the regular ink what we do, and this is also a brand new pen, so there is no ink inside. I am filling ink. Now I have filled ink in this pen. So second pen is over, and let me fill Brill ink. And again, this is the brand new pen, Hero pen. And we have filled ink in this. Now let us fill Pilot. Now let us fill Pilot. Again, this is a brand new pen. There is no ink inside. Now Pilot is filled in this pen. Again, Parker. This is written as Parker, and it is a brand new pen again. There is no ink inside. Now I am filling with Parker ink. ink is filled, and finally we are going to do some experiments in the newly made water resistant ink. And this pen is new one. And let me fill the ink here. Ink is filled. Yes, let us write in this bits of paper and immerse it in water for a while, and let us see how it responds. So this is penhouse.in ink. Water resistant. Okay, and I am keeping this pen aside, and let me keep it here. In this pilot, this is with pilot. Pilot blue ink. Okay, and this is written with Parker ink. Okay, all are blue, and now we are going to write with the Brill ink. Brill ink is the darkest of all. And now we are going to write with the Daytone. Sapphire blue. And finally one is left, and this is penhouse wood. Okay, now we have written all the samples. Let me take some water in the tub. I am doing the immersion test now. Let me put penhouse.in old one first, and Daytone, and Brill ink, and this is with Parker ink, and this is with Pilot, and I have held this new formula water resistant. Let us see how the ink is responding. So immediately when we put in water, the Daytone ink, we can see the color, how the color comes out from the water. And this is penhouse, and this is Daytone sapphire blue, and this is Brill ink, and this is Parker, and this is Pilot. And let us put with new formula water resistant. So you can see the difference. All the dye content has come out, and water resistant is still there. And the penhouse old formula is also good water resistance to some extent when compared to um, Daytone, Brill, and Parker. This is Parker, all is gone. And you could see the penhouse old is good, and the Pilot ink is good. Pilot is really good, and the penhouse new formula water resistant is really good. I mean, it has not come out. We could not see any stains. You can do this test yourself, and soon we will be launching this water resistant ink in our site. And customers who want to have free samples for the top 10 customers, we would like to give this as a free samples, and we would like to get the feedback also. And whoever wants, please leave their names, contact number, address in the comments, so that we can send you the samples and we can test. Thanks for watching this video.